stop scrolling for 10 seconds. You're gonna wanna watch this video. Your body is doing something right now that most people never even learn about. And if you understood it, you'd look at food, cravings, weight loss, totally different. So let me blow your mind. Here's what actually happens inside your body when you fast. When you stop eating, your blood sugar starts to drop and your insulin, which is your fat storage hormone, finally gets a chance to calm down. This is huge because insulin blocks fat burning. Low insulin opens the door and finally allows you to tap into that stored fat. So the moment you start fasting, you're not starving, you're just simply tapping into the backup power. And then around the 12-hour mark, your body finally taps into that fat burning mode. Think of it like flipping a switch from fat storage to fat usage. Instead of constantly storing the carbs that you're consuming, your body starts to unlock the fat that it's been carrying around. This is why fasting is one of the most natural tools for fixing insulin resistance, because it's finally giving your insulin a break. Now here we go. This is where it really gets wild. When you get to the 16-hour mark of fasting, your cells start a process called autophagy. Imagine your body and your cells having its own little cleaning crew. This cleaning crew goes in and it grabs all the damaged proteins and toxins and everything else that your body doesn't need, and it throws it out for you. It's kind of like, well, no, it's not kind of like, it's literally your body taking out the trash. Fasting also quiets inflammation, which is one of the biggest drivers for that stubborn weight, for fatigue, for inflammation, also for skin issues and other metabolic problems. People don't realize that most of their symptoms are caused from that inflammation of constant eating, snacking, and that spiking of the blood sugar. And this is the part that people don't tell you. When you fast consistently, your hunger hormones, your leptin and your ghrelin, they start to reset and balance themselves. At this point, cravings start to shrink, your appetite becomes more stable, and you're no longer controlled by food. And your brain starts to run on ketones, the fuel produced during fasting, and your focus sharpens. This is why when people fast, sometimes they feel clear and calm and even energized. So the next time that you fast, remember, you're not just skipping food, you're lowering insulin, you're burning fat, you're cleaning out your cells, calming inflammation, boosting your energy, and balancing your hunger hormones. Your body is really doing way more behind the scenes than you think. And if you want to hear part 2 on what happens to your body when you eat carbs, drink water, exercise, all that type of stuff, just comment below or like and follow and subscribe.